welcome Sam. A round of applause for Sam.
As if Jodie just walked in right on time as well. I might start with that one then. This is a poem about my friend Jodie. Jodie Long Biscuits, I call her.
We'll never know why. I don't know why.
She knows why. I spent half the day in the presence of a legend in the game. They called her Jodie Long Biscuits, the longest biscuits in all of the land. The funniest remark, she must love to see me laugh, because she brings me just that in abundance. And indeed much more. We met in Cardiff for breakfast, spent hours embarking into the depths of ourselves, though mostly her, because I tend more to listen. I got straight to the point, gave her a choice to make, and so she showed me things she supposedly showed no other. There was beauty in the surrender, and that's why I encouraged it. And of course she had nothing to fear, for my lack of judgment sincere, and I hold her quite dear. She's quite a girl, and her mind invites mine to unfurl, and likewise I surmise, because we have quite a time on this world together, and that's a beautiful thing. We went to some charity shops, I purchased a vase. We went, oh, what the fuck was it? What was it? What did we do? We went to some charity shops, I purchased a vase. We burst into laughter in the co-op, returned to hers after, told me of her stomach post-op. Something about her quite admirable, I think. We went to TK Maxx, then did our goodbyes, kissed on the cheek with a twinkle in her eyes and a warm embrace. You could hold me for minutes. I'll see you again, Jodie Long Biscuits. One more, I think, another poem. This one's called Freeze. How many great ideas get frozen in doubt, and where would we be if we let that ice melt? If we let them flow freely out into the world to take their fullest form, what magic would unfurl? What progress we would see if we each planted the seeds unique only to ourselves and just patiently nurtured them, remaining dead certain that nothing could stop them from growing and growing before reaching full blossom. What stands in the way of such a reality? Many things for sure, but no more so than habit. We're not taught how to manage our thoughts, so we panic, and when a red herring gets loaded we grab it, but it takes us further away from the places deep down we know we need to be. To pursue that little heron becomes our new task. What fucking mind's gone? What is it? To pursue that little heron becomes our new task, understand its true nature, seek release from its grasp. Unfortunately for us, we're quite easy to distract. Our truest submissions are often concealed and masked, but clues do arise, so don't think, just feel, and when they're revealed, don't freeze, just act.